In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your PayPal account specifically for use with eBay, and I promise to guide you through it all in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in, shall we? First things first, you're going to want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to paypal.com. This is the main hub where all the magic happens. Once you're there, keep an eye out for a button that says sign up. It should be prominently displayed and easy to find. Give that button a click and let's get started. Next up, you'll be faced with a choice, whether to create a personal or business account. If you're mostly just using your account for eBay and personal transactions, a personal account might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're planning to sell on eBay professionally or manage multiple transactions, you might consider a business account. Just pick the one that aligns with your needs and proceed. Now it's time to input some basic information such as your email address, first and last name, address, and phone number. You'll also need to create a secure password. Take a moment to ensure your password is strong. After all, it's a critical part of keeping your account safe. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, PayPal will send a verification email to the address you provided. Head over to your inbox, find the email, and click on the link contained within. This simple step verifies your email address and gets your account up and running. With your email verified, you're ready to take an important step: linking a bank account or a credit or debit card. This connection is crucial as it enables you to send money, make purchases, and receive funds through PayPal. It's a straightforward process, and once it's done, your account will be fully functional. Now that your PayPal account is verified and linked, let's switch gears and dive into eBay. Head over to eBay's website and start browsing for the item you'd like to purchase. Once you have your eye on something, look for the Buy It Now option. This will streamline the purchasing process. When you reach the payment method section, make sure to select PayPal. Just one of the many reasons PayPal is preferred by eBay users is its added layer of security and ease of use. Click on Pay with PayPal and you'll be redirected to PayPal's website. Here, you'll log in using your email address and password just as you did earlier. You'll have a chance to review all the payment details on PayPal's site. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct, and when you're ready, authorize the transaction by selecting Pay Now or a similar button. Once PayPal processes the payment, you'll be redirected back to eBay, where your order will be officially completed. And there you have it, you've successfully set up and used your PayPal account for eBay in just a few easy steps. With this knowledge, you're now ready to manage your PayPal account efficiently and make secure transactions on eBay. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.